Do you love enjoying a cup of coffee or tea while on board a flight? You might want to reconsider. Stay tuned. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. I'm Michelle, and every Tuesday we dive into a practical and helpful tip so you can save time, money, and headaches. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So today's mishap moment. I'm not going to lie, I love having coffee on flights. Especially if it's an overnight flight, when you wake up after sleeping for a couple hours, you wake up after a nap, it's nice to have that little perk me up so you feel like you're back into reality once you get off the plane. I learned that the water that they use for coffee and tea is recycled, and that tank where that water sits in the plane isn't cleaned very often. Ew. Ew. So, my travel tip for you today is to make sure you bring yourself a little thermos like this. And once you get through security, you're going to go and either go to your favorite coffee shop and fill it in with a cup of coffee. Or if you like hot tea, go to a restaurant or, like a Starbucks or a Dunkin' Donuts and ask them to fill this with hot water. It will stay hot. This one is a really great one, and I'll put the link below for it if you want to pick it up. But this one here keeps my beverages hot for like 12 hours. So, and I don't tend to take 12-hour flights very often. But I can put my coffee in here after I've gone through security, and it will be hot through the duration of my flight. The other thing is this is a non-leak one, so even if I have it sideways, it doesn't spill. Obviously, when you're on a long flight, you shove the thing in the seat pocket in front of you and it falls over, or it's in your backpack thing and it's laying on its side underneath the seat in front of you. So obviously, it's hard to keep these things upright when you're flying. But it's spill proof, so it makes it great. But that is my travel tip. Get yourself a nice spill proof thermos that keeps your liquids hot throughout the duration of your flight. And you can have nice fresh coffee with water that is actually clean. And on board, if you're getting tea, you can always just ask the flight attendants for a tea bag or two if you need a little bit more than that. But that's my travel tip for today. So get yourself a really nice spill-proof thermos. If you found today's tip helpful, smash that like button. I'd like to know what questions you have about travel so I can share a tip that will save you time, money, and headaches. Thanks for watching today. Subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I'll see you next Tuesday with more travel tips.